everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can design a simple poster as a beginner graphic designer using Photoshop like this. To start with the design, you kindly open your software, your Photoshop software. Mine is already open, so I just open mine. Then you click on new file, then choose your paper size. Let's change our paper size to 790 width and 790 height in pixels. So if it's in centimeters, can I change it from centimeters to pixels? Then from there, you name your work here. Let's say, can I give it your name? Okay, so let me give my name, Julius Adejashi. Yes, so I'll click on create. So this is a sheet, and this is what I want you to do. So as a sheet like this, there's a parallel sign that I click on. So also kindly click on that parallel sign so that the sheet parallel could disappear. Okay, so from here what it is that you change the background of this sheet to blue. So to do that, you go to FX, click on FX, then go to color overlay, then you choose blue. So you click on the color box over here again, then here you choose blue. I have the code for the blue here, so let me just show it to you. So the code is 0D0DC1. Type it right inside this small box. When you're done, then press OK. That's the background. Alright, so now you draw a rectangle here. So you just click on the rectangle tool here, left click. If it is ellipse over there, can you right click or let's click on the small arrow here, then to give the option. So select rectangle tool, then bring your pointer here, then you hold your left button, then you drag it to this side. Then you go and change the color over here. So you go to fill, then you go to the box here, then you type in the color code that I have over here. So let me show you the color code. This is the color code FFE 505, FFE 505. So I'll copy that, then come here, then paste it here, then click on and press on enter. Alright, so from there you type in the name. So what you are doing is that let's click on the move tool here, then you shift the shape up a bit. This is what I want you to do. Okay, I want you to show you how you can align this rectangle at the center. So press Ctrl plus A. When it's done, then you click on the align horizontal centers here, click on it once, then you press Ctrl plus D, and that aligns it. You want to align it also to the vertical middle, so go again, Ctrl plus A, then you align here to choose this one. Yes, so to be at the middle. So there you press on Ctrl plus D, then you bring the name inside. So let's click on the type tool here, then come to the text here. Please don't click inside the box. You see the way it has turned to a circle. If you click on it, it will start using the shape as the text box. You don't want that. So this is what you do. What to do is that, let me show you what you can do. Let me undo Ctrl plus Z. So when you click on the text box, please click outside the shape. So here you select you change your size to, let's say, 9. So now you type in your name. My name is Julius Adejashi. Then I'll click on the icon here. It's here, it's not visible. So what I'll do is that I'll just click on the move to here. Then you come to, then I'll just hold and drag it and bring it here. You see, you can click anywhere else, but this is how it should come up. So here is too big. So what I'll do is that I'll hold the edge down here, press the left key, the left button of the mouse, and drag up to lower the size. You see there are some extra text attached. So double click on it, then you select all this and delete it. Then click on the plus sign here, then you come here. Now please use your name for this. When you're done, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then then you click on the vertical element here and the horizontal element here too as well. When you're done, you press Ctrl plus D to take off the circles. So now use your mouse pointer to hold it, drag it up a bit. After here, well, I want to show you how to copy. Okay, so you press Ctrl plus J to copy the text. So use your mouse to pull it down here, and now here you type graphic designer. Okay, so you want to press there, then you highlight again, Ctrl plus A, then choose the middle section here, then you go to Ctrl plus D, and now you want to change the size. Okay, so you change the size, come to the pointer here again, then click on the image or click on the text here, then hold and drag the text just a little bit small. Then now change the color of it. So we'll go back to the text tool over here, and then go back to the move tool again, then that to make this stand alone. Then from here, what is that, you go to properties. You see the button here, properties, then use your mouse to scroll down a bit. You see the colors here, so just choose the color that you want. So here you're using black, so let's use black for it. Then okay, this thing sometimes, this property over here sometimes can be at the edge. Let me show you. So to change this, I can just let's click the properties and hold and drag it out and put it somewhere here. You see, then to be here for me, so I can just put it and extend. You can even hold it and put it outside. It will be outside. Look at it. So for this one, I just put it inside back again. Then it's coming here. So here I can change the color of the text. Here is for text alone. So when I'm done, I want to make everything come to the middle. So what I'll do is that I'll hold Shift key and come and press on the image here. Okay, then I'll click on Ctrl plus G to group everything. From here, you press Ctrl plus A. Then you come and select this option here, and you come and select this one too as well to align very well. When you're done, please press Ctrl plus D. Let me zoom in so that you see something. So you can see the rectangle still has this black line around it. So what I'll do is that I'll zoom out, then go to shapes again, then go to stroke. So here you click on it. You see this one forms the line around the shape. Then now go and select no shape. You see the right hand here, it shows that no stroke. So you see the sign over here, this shows that. So you can click on the no color sign over here to remove the color from the border. So I just click on this. It doesn't have any show color. So from here, I'm done. Alright, so to save the document, this is what you do. So you go to File, then you go to Save As, then you type in the document that's the name of the document that you want to give to it. Then you choose your location, then you click on Save. To save this as a picture, you kindly go to File again, then you go to Save a Copy. Then here you change the file format to JPEG. Give it your name, and please use your name for this particular one. I want you to also design this and share it with me on the WhatsApp page so that I will see it and evaluate this for you. And please do that. So when you're done, just save it here. Yes, and keep the quality at 12 as well. So when you're done, please share it with me. And also, please subscribe to the channel, share and like this video. Okay, till I see you again, stay blessed.